अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। वेलकम टू मदनी इस्लामिक एकेडमी Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 11 from Madani Qaida Sukoon or Jazm. Exercise part 2. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This lesson comprises harakat, tanween, mustaliya letters, hamza sakina, the letters of madda, the letters of kalkala and the sakin letters. We learn all these rules in this lesson with examples. Let's start. The first example is ya, qaf, pesh, yuq, ro, dod, zir, rid, yuqrid. Here qaf is kalkala letter and kalkala letter here is sakin because it has jazm sign or sakin sign on it. When kalkala is sakina, then kalkala will be more clear and our sound will echoes. And here is dod is mustaliya letter, will be pronounced always with thicker voice or heavy voice. We pronounce like this: yuqrid, yuqrid. The next example is ya, ghain, pesh, yu, noon, ya, zir, ni, yughni. Here ghain is mustaliya letter and mustaliya letter will be pronounced with heavy voice or thicker voice in every condition. And here is zir before ya sakin, this is ya madda. Madda letters we pronounce up to one alif by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Here ya is sakin because ya has jazm sign, sakin sign or sukoon sign it. And ghain is sakin here because ghain has sakin sign, sukoon sign or jazm sign on it. Recite like this: yughni, yughni. The next example is ta, jim, zabar taj, ra, ya, ziri, tajri, tajri. Here jim is kalkala letter and kalkala will be pronounced with emphasis. When kalkala is sakina, our sound will echoes. Here kalkala is sakin because kalkala has this letter has sakin sign, jazm sign or sukoon sign on it. And there is ya, there is zir before ya sakin, this is ya madda. And madda letter we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Ya letter is sakin here because it has jazm sign, sukoon sign or sakin sign. Recite like this: tajri, tajri. The next example is jim, mim, zabar jam, ain, tu zabar an, jam an, jam an. Here mim is sakin because mim has sakin sign, jazm sign or sukoon sign. And this is tanween, tu zabar. Recite like this: jam'an, jam'an. The next example is fa ta zabar fat ha to pesh hun fathun fathun. Here letter ta is sakin because it has jazm sign, sukoon sign or sakin sign, and this is tanween to pesh. Recite like this: fathun fathun. The next example is mim wa mim hamza pesh mu. Here mim is mutaharrik letter and hamza is sakin. Hamza sakin will be pronounced with sudden pause like mu mu mu. Mim zer mi mu mi. Noon ya zer ni mu mi ni. Noon zabarna mu mi ni na. Here zer before ya sakin, this is ya madda. Madda letters we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: mu'minina mu'minina. The next example is mim hamza pesh mu. Mim zer mi mu mi. Noon waw pesh nu mu'minu. Noon zabarna mu'minuna. Here hamza sakina will be pronounced with sudden pause like mu, and here is page before waw sakin, this is waw madda. Madda letters we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: mu'minuna mu'minuna. The next example is ya hamza pesh yu. Mim zer mi yu mi. Noon waw pesh nu yu mi nu. Noon zabarna yu mi nu na. Here hamza sakina will be pronounced with sudden pause like yu, and there is page before waw sakin, this is waw madda. Madda letters we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: yu'minuna yu'minuna. The next example is mim hamza pesh mu. So zabar so mu so. Dal zabarda muqsada ta to peshtun muqsadatun muqsadatun. Here hamza is sakin and hamza sakina will be pronounced with sudden pause like mu, and there is sod is mustaliya letter will be pronounced with thicker voice or heavy voice in every condition, and there is two page tanween. Recite like this: muqsadatun muqsadatun. The next example is hamza qaf zer iq ra hamza zabar ra iqra iqra. Here qaf is kalkala letter. Kalkala is sakina here because it has jazm sign or sakin sign on it, and when kalkala is sakina, then kalkala will be more clear and our sound will be echoes. And here hamza is sakin, hamza sakina will be pronounced with sudden pause. Recite like this: iqra iqra iqra. This is the Lesson number 12, 11, exercise part 2. Inshallah, in next videos we will learn more example. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.